Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how you can cancel subscription on vectorizer AI. So guys, go to your account and log in into your account. As you can see here, this is my account. So guys, if you have a subscription premium, just go to my account here and check here subscription, and I am not subscribed yet, guys. If you want to cancel, you just find here, guys, option here, cancel subscription. You just click here, cancel subscription, and confirm your cancellation. If you don't find anything, guys, just go to support here, and as you can see here, you send this email to support and click here, cancel subscription, and click your credit card and click this information, and after that send this request to support. This is how you can do to cancel subscription, guys. I have this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content.